how can we save a PowerPoint slideshow as images? To do that, simply head to File menu at the top left, then search for Export. If you are on Windows, you may have to pick Home first in the ribbon at the top to see this option. But in my case on Mac, I can head to File straight away. Then search for Export. Instead of saving, we want to export this presentation. So click Export. By default, they want us to export this whole presentation as PDF, where each slide will be one page, but we can change that. So let's explore more formats. Here it is. We can export this as the video, but also as an image. So we can choose between JPEG and PNGs. PNGs are a bit larger, but got a better quality. So let's go with PNG. Now we can decide that we want to save only this slide that is selected right now, or every slide from this presentation. So let's keep it as every slide, and then you can adjust the size. For the best experience, you can go with the full HD. So 1920. All right, let's export. And we got confirmation that each slide was saved as the separate image. Perfect. And then when you go to that folder, you will see that all of our images from this presentation are nicely packed into brand new folder. Here it is. And I got 4 images because I got 4 slides. And each image is in full HD because we changed this size in settings. That's how you can easily export your slides as images. Keep in mind, all of your transitions and cool animation will be lost in this process. I hope this short tutorial was helpful. See you in the next video.